The National People's Party NPP, during its General Executive Council meeting, formally inducted Dr. DRL Nonglait into the party and announced him as its official candidate for the upcoming MP by-election. On the occasion, Dr. Nonglait was accorded a warm felicitation by several senior NPP leaders, including National President and Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, State President Preston Tensong, Snu Bhalangthar, James K. Sangma, Hamletson Dolling, Wailad Miki Shilla, and Grace Mary Kharpuri, among others. The program witnessed the presence of thousands of party workers and supporters who gathered to witness the formal declaration of Dr. Nonglait's candidature, reflecting strong backing from the party rank and file. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister and also National President of the NPP, Conrad K. Sangma, said that from today onward he would work as a dedicated party worker for Dr. Nonglait. He further remarked that he was ready to take up any responsibility from arranging chairs to putting up posters for the NPP candidate, underscoring the party's collective commitment towards the upcoming by-election.
We have the National Working President.
And as has been proposed by the State Committee or recommended, it will be appropriate that in this general meeting, where all members from all the constituencies in the Khasi-J&K region have come here today, I would like to give a proposal on behalf of the party to propose the name of Dr. Nonglait to be the candidature for the upcoming MP by-election. Those who are in favor, please raise your right hand. Please raise your hand. Let's give a round of applause. With the approval of the General Committee that has come from different constituencies of Khasi-J&K region, and with the approval from our State President and the entire committee, I would like to now officially announce Dr. Nonglait as the official candidate of the National People's Party for the upcoming Lok Sabha by-election. Thank you very much. Once again, I welcome Dr. DRL Nonglait to our family, and let me assure you on behalf of every member that, Doctor, we are behind you. We will work day and night. We will leave no stone unturned. And from today till your election, I repeat, only till your election. After that again, I will take my original position. But till the election, I am your worker. I am your worker. I am not the national president. I will work behind you. I will stand behind you. And I will work like a common worker of the party, not as a national president. I will do my role as national president. But if I have to pick up the chairs and put the chairs on the side, if I have to hoist the flag, if I have to stick the poster, I will do it for you. I will do it for you, Doctor. And that is the spirit with which we will have to move, each and every single family member of the National People's Party. And it is only then will we come out victorious in this election. I wish Dr. Nonglait the very best. I wish all our leaders the very best.